Hi everyone, we're Melody
and Carlee
from Pine Grove Middle School, and today we're talking about a really important question: how business can affect the environment. Every day, companies make choices about what to make, how to make it, and what materials to use. Those choices might seem small, but they can make a big difference for our planet in good and bad ways. From the packaging on a soda bottle to the energy that powers a factory, every decision matters.
We should begin with the bad side. Some business choices really hurt the environment. For example, factories that use fossil fuels release gases that cause climate change. Companies that use too much plastic add to the waste in our oceans. And businesses that use too many natural resources, like cutting down too many trees or wasting water, can hurt animals and ecosystems. Think about how much packaging you throw away after opening something you buy online. Most of it goes straight to the trash, and a lot of it isn't recyclable. That waste can stay in landfills for hundreds of years.
But here's the good news. Business can also help the environment. Some companies are trying hard to do better. They use clean energy like solar panels or wind power instead of burning coal or oil. Others are changing their packaging, using recycled paper or cardboard instead of plastic, and some companies are even donating money to protect forests and oceans. One article from TRVST puts in businesses that embrace sustainability, make choices that protect resources and reduce waste, and ensure long-term business growth. That shows how smart and ethical choices can be good and bad for the planet and the company. For example, Patagonia, a clothing company that uses recycled materials and gives part of their profits to nature. Another example is Google, which has been using renewable energy for years to power their offices and servers. These companies prove that it is possible to make money and help the environment at the same time.
That's where business ethics come in. Business ethics means doing the right thing even when it isn't the easiest or cheapest choice. Companies should think about what's best for the people, the planet, and profit, not just one of those things. That idea is called the triple bottom line. According to researchers Timothy Slapper and Tanya Hall from Indiana University, the triple bottom line captures the essence of sustainability by measuring the impact of an organization's activities on the world, including its social, human, and environmental capital. If a company only cares about money, they might take shortcuts to hurt the environment. But when they think about the planet too, they can find better ways to do business. For example, instead of using plastic bags, the grocery store might switch to paper or reusable bags. That choice costs a little bit more, but it's better for the environment.
Let's talk more about packaging and energy, two choices that really matter. Packaging is everywhere: boxes, wrappers, bottles, bags. When it comes to using too much packaging, it creates a lot of trash. But when they design eco-friendly packaging, it can be recycled or reused. Another big one, energy is another big one. Running factories, stores, and computers takes a lot of power. But if that power comes from clean energy like wind or solar, it can help the planet. But if it comes from burning oil or coal, it pollutes the air. As Business.com's article says, companies that consider people and the planet alongside profits often find that doing good is also good for business. This proves that being environmentally friendly doesn't just help the earth, it can help a business too. That's why many companies are switching to cleaner energy, and it's not just good for the planet, it can save money over time too.
So why does all this matter? Because the choices business make can affect everyone. The air we breathe, the water we drink, and the world we live in. But it's not only up to the companies. We as consumers can make better choices too. When we buy from businesses that care about the environment, we're helping make a difference. Even small actions like recycling, using reusable bottles, or supporting green brands can add up.
In the end, businesses can affect the environment in both good and bad ways.
They can pollute and waste resources, or they can protect and renew them.
The differences come down to one thing: choices.
Every time a business decides what to make or how to make it, they're deciding what kind of future we'll all have.
If businesses choose to care for the planet, everyone wins.
Thank you.